Hello everyone. Welcome back to Inspire. After a long time I came with the new video. If you are a Microstock contributor on Shutterstock website, then follow my channel. Like video, share and subscribe for more videos. I am a Microstock contributor from last 3 years. I have started contributing in Shutterstock agency in early 2018. Right now I have almost 800 pictures and 330 videos portfolio on Shutterstock. Today I will show you one new feature Shutterstock added to upload videos directly. Now you can upload video on Shutterstock without using third-party applications like FileZilla or Cyberduck or any other. Now you can upload directly from Shutterstock website. The same method you are using to upload images. Go to your Shutterstock contributor account first. Then click here on videos and then click this button upload content. Now you can select files from here. And then wait for finish uploading process here. And then click on next button here when it highlights like this. And then you can see your videos here in this panel. Now write a proper description, tags and submit it. This is very easy method for new contributors and beginners. If you want to use FTPS method you can still use it. I will show you how. I was using FileZilla to upload videos on Shutterstock. First you have to go to video section from here. Then click on upload content button. Now you can see this option. Try using FTPS. Then click here on learn more. And you can see all the information about FTPS uploading. Now this is your host link for Shutterstock. You have to copy this link. And then open FileZilla. And paste it here in host section. Now here in username section you have to put your username. The username which you are using for login to this contributor site. And then here put a same password you are using to log in to Shutterstock contributor site. And then click here on quick connect button. And there you go. Now you can upload your videos by dragging them here in this window like this. Then wait for uploading successfully from FileZilla. Now go to Shutterstock contributor account and open submit section. And go to videos. You can see your uploaded content here and then submit your content and wait for approval. This FTPS method is also a good method, but you need third-party application for this. Enjoy the uploading. If you are new on Shutterstock or haven't started yet, then this video is for you. You can use my referral link from description below for starting new Shutterstock account. And don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.